Hello friends, the TechTuber here. In the last video, I explained about I created the accounts on Facebook and Twitter so we can have fun together there. So come hang out with me. Anyways, this video is about the conclusion on this little guy, the Amazon Kindle Paperwhite. And when I'm saying conclusion, I really mean that because as you can see here and here, I've already created two videos on why you should buy the Kindle and why you shouldn't, the plus points, the minus points. So if you're really still confused, you can check these videos out, but I recommend to watch this video first and I'll give the end in the end. I'll also suggest those videos again. I'm not going to tell okay you must buy this or you must buy not buy that. So it's not like that. It goes upon your needs, your budget. So those if those two things are fulfilled, then you surely can go for this product. My reasons for buying this is I usually go to my village and come back go to Mumbai. Actually, I'm in village right now, so I need all of my study books with me at that time. So well, I can't really carry this big bunch all the time. Actually, it's very small right now, you can see, but this is pretty much slim and I can carry all of that pretty easily. So that was my reason number one. The reason number two is that I read a lot, and in order to read a lot I really needed something because well you can't get all of the books hard copy, it's not easy to get those. So that's where the second part comes in. And the third reason here is well you can download Kindles from the web for free, and then you can convert them to Kindle format again for free, and then well you can read them at the cost of whatever the cost of the Kindle format actual book is for free. So I am going to have a tutorial of that, so if you could subscribe for the tutorial it would be great for you and me also. So this is The Alchemist book, as you can see here, and well it's simply great, and we are not going to discuss about the book, but well a Kindle feature about it which you really need about buying, just tap on the word, it goes to Wikipedia. So I have correctly selected merchant. A merchant is a person who trades in what is that commodities produced by other people. I couldn't read the opposite. So here you can get translation if it's from any other language than English, and you can also get the dictionary. So it's pretty much worth. And I also read at night, so that is why I chose the Paperwhite edition, in which you can adjust the brightness. Can you see that? So here you can easily adjust the brightness. Yes, the low refresh rates are a pain, but well you get used to it because I want to show right now and also do the same thing, so it's getting a little bit difficult for me. But when you're just reading it, this is an amazing device. And for those reasons, as you can see here, I've bought this thing. It's not a virtual thing, you can hear. By the way, the body is plastic, so I would recommend a cover. This is the original Kindle cover. I bought it, so that is a recommended thing. And well, this is for which people? This is for the people who read a lot. This is for the people who want to carry a lot of books and can't carry that much stock. This is for the people who have enough money to buy this thing. If you don't have enough money, you can buy the normal Kindle, which will cost around 4,000, and it's a lot worth it. Actually, I read a lot at night, again as I said, so I bought the Paperwhite edition. So that's it. I think I've listed majority of the priorities. If you think I'm missing something, then let me know. And well, if you think there is something less in my videos, then do post it in the comments, and then I'll improve it. And you should subscribe for that so you can see my improvements. So that's it. You can also hang out with me on Twitter and Facebook. Instagram will be coming. If you really want it, then I'll bring it on early. Otherwise, it's gonna come around 500 subscribers. So that's it. I'm the TechTuber and I'm signing out.